You've seen my avoided projects and my side projects. Well, here is my squirrel. I did this instead type project. My white rabbit. What? I couldn't see the sky when there were thunderstorms. I couldn't see the rain when I sat out in it. I didn't want to see the bare insides of a giant bush when I could look out at all the beautiful trees beyond. I'm sure the last owners just wanted privacy, but to each his own, I guess. We had one of these bushes growing up, just outside our front window as well. I remembered always getting yelled at for touching it, but always having to touch it when I helped with gardening. A lot of things didn't make sense about my childhood, but covert narcissism is like that. Confusing. I'm thankful for God's healing and guidance, but I'm also thankful I got to remove this plant. It was cathartic. Now, I'm not good at gardening, but I want to be. It was one of the things I can find from my father as a good example. He had a green thumb. So far, I'm managing to keep a zebra plant alive, as well as a prayer plant with fuzzy leaves, a rosemary, and half a lavender. She ain't doing too good. See you next time, guys.